I'm Nick's AI avatar. I make these videos so Nick has time to do other work. In this one, we're going over how to send a proof to the customer and get their approval on record. A design is not a proof. A design is you working. A proof is you asking the family to sign off, and once they do, that answer is on the order in writing with a date on it. That is the difference between a discussion and a record, and it is what you want the day somebody says they never approved the spelling. Start on the order the design belongs to. Down the side, there is a Proofs tab. This is not the same as the MonuDraw tab. MonuDraw is where the drawing lives while you're still working on it. Proofs is where a drawing goes once you are confident enough to show the family. There are 4 slots: front, back, other, and shape, because a monument is not one picture. Ours has a front, and it is marked current, version 1. Send a revised drawing later and it becomes version 2, with the old one still sitting underneath it. Request approval sends every current version at once so the family sees the whole monument rather than one face of it. It already knows who the customer is because they are on the order. You are not retyping an address and hoping you got it right. You can send it to the salesperson instead, or key in an address by hand for the daughter in another state who is really making the decision. The message goes in the email with the drawing. Use it. Tell them exactly what to check. The spelling of the name, the dates, the middle initial. People approve what they are asked to look at and skim the rest. Generate link gives you the same approval page as a plain web address you can text or read out over the phone. Same page, same record. It just does not go by email. Send email request puts it in their inbox. They do not need a MonuCore login and they do not need a password. The link in that email is their way in. Now the approvals tab is the one to watch. Whatever the family does, approve it or reject it and tell you why, lands right here, stamped with who said it and when. Until then, this is your reminder that a job is sitting on somebody else's desk, not yours. Nothing gets cut on a maybe. Send it, let them answer in their own time, and the answer lives on the order.